final video to solve the Adobe Premiere Pro error code 39. If you are also facing this problem while importing or opening media files in Premiere Pro, then stay with me till the end. I promise this video will save your time. I am going to share every possible way to fix this issue in the simplest way, so you can easily follow it. And if you are new here, this is Rexisht. First, let me ask you, are you also stuck with this error 39 when you try to import videos into Premiere Pro? If yes, then this video is exactly what you were searching for. I know how annoying this error feels because no matter how many times you try, Premiere Pro just refuses to load the file. When I faced this problem, I wanted a simple answer, not a long and confusing tutorial. Now let me explain why this problem happens. This error usually appears when your video file is corrupted or uses a codec that Premiere cannot read. Sometimes the file format is damaged. Sometimes the system cache becomes full. And when Premiere cannot decode the file, it shows error code 39 again and again. You may see many solutions online, but many of them are complicated and hard to follow. They tell you to install extra codecs or change many settings. But when I faced the same issue on my own device, I fixed it with a very simple trick. Here is